Hi, this is Kelly from Soulful Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I took this beautiful mutant ostrich gator embossed vinyl in Raging Blue and AquaGuard marine vinyl in black from Big Z Fabric to make a gorgeous drawstring bag. I've been making bags using Big Z fabrics for several years, and I love the quality of the vinyls and faux leathers. They have really elevated my bags. I know this is a sponsored video, but I promise you I'll give you my honest opinion. I love that their vinyls come in 54-inch width so I can cut a whole crossbody strap without having to piece it together. And finally, I never worry about spills or stains as they just wipe clean with a wet cloth. So stay tuned to see how that drawstring bag comes together. First, we're going to start by creating our crossbody strap and drawstring. Next, we're going to assemble our exterior and lining pieces. Now we're ready to attach the exterior and the lining together. Our drawstring bag is coming together. Turn your drawstring bag right side out and admire your work and get ready to attach those grommets. Your drawstring bag is basically complete. Add your drawstring and any other finishing touches and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching. You too can take your bags to the next level with Big Z Fabrics.